So the SmartWalls are water-filled base designed to take a temporary fence. Its primary use is for like high-profile areas where aesthetics matter and you want to look good, you want to have a narrow encroachment on footpaths, and you want to ensure that there's safe passageway for pedestrians. So the SmartWall's got an extremely narrow footprint of 388mm. It's got lifting handles for easy unloading and loading on site. SmartWall can be utilised in many different applications. It can be utilised in infrastructure, major projects, commercial, even events.
Our point of difference with the SmartWall is that it's a one-piece item. The others will take a 2.4 metre panel generally, but they're two halves. Ours is one piece, so there's less moving parts, less chance of damage. We also have handles each end and one handle in the middle, so they're easy to pick up and move around. They stack really well. That was one of the main design criteria that I came up with, I guess. Transport's a big issue. We need to get stuff to site as economically as possible. It stacks really well on a truck, is the most economical to transport. We made the product with sloping sides so that it's harder to climb. I'm particularly proud of the SmartWall just because of the improved design features compared to what else is in the market overseas and here in Australia. I think we've added some benefits that will make it a better product for our customer and more economical in the transport. Easy to use on site being a one-piece unit, and easy to handle on site, having handles in the middle and the ends. To ensure the SmartWall is compliant with the Australian standard, we've given the designs to our engineer who has done a design analysis on the wind loadings for the SmartWall and designed it all to AS 4687-2022, which is the latest version of the standard. We also conducted a range of physical tests in-house just to confirm that those calculations that the engineer came up with were right. It's really important for 1300TempFence and Site HQ to ensure that every product we hire and sell is compliant to Australian standards. We don't want to take risks with anybody's safety on site.
Well, this is an advanced design to manufacture even for an experienced rotomolder. The deep recess through the length of what is a singular base is very unique to this product, and it's very difficult to design for manufacturing. The design process took about 8 months from conception to manufacturing. We started with a concept and added things along the way with input from colleagues and people in the industry.
Look, due to its ease of use on site, flexibility and application, we see this being largely taken up around schools, hospitals, infrastructure projects, commercial sites that really have a requirement to reduce risk for the public and pedestrians and make sure the site looks good. I'd like to see this product everywhere in the next 5 years across Australia.